Hey everyone, so I want to jump on live. I did do a video over on my YouTube channel that's more in depth, and you can see like a little craft with me at the end of some things that I got from the Heidi Swap Shop. And so I wanted to come on here and share with you guys. Oh my god, this month had so many cute things. Okay, so I'm usually subscribed, and I get her Stop the Blur kit, and it comes with like a bunch of memory planning things. And I go more in depth to what's in here on my YouTube channel. So guys, check it out. But it always comes with an exclusive die set. And this is a 3-piece one. It's so cute, you guys. And I'll show you guys what it cuts out as. So this is the outside piece. Look at how pretty that is. So cute, guys. So I always get that. And then like on the 15th, you can like go into your subscription and you can add things for like either no cost or maybe $1 extra. I can't remember. Hi Zuma, hello. How are you guys? So I added on some other things that she had for Valentine's Day. I'm such a sucker for Valentine's Day, you guys. How are you guys? Thanks for joining me. Share this live for me if you can. So I played with some of the things on video, and then I played with it off camera, and so I want to come and share with you guys. So I added this on. At first, guys, I was so upset because I could not get this apart. I tried using my pliers and all that good stuff and nothing worked. It was just too tight in the inside. So my husband, I didn't think that he had the tools that I needed, and he did. So he broke it for me. So I'm happy now, guys. I was so mad. I was like, oh, I wanted this just for this. But I finally got it open, and it comes with all these pieces, guys. So you get this outside piece, right? And then the next piece that layers is this kind of like similar to the other one, but it's like a more narrow heart. You can never have too many hearts, you guys. And then the next layering piece is this one, which actually cuts a really thin heart outline, and then the inside as well. So let me show that to you. Hold on. So cute, you guys. Here goes an example. So it cuts out this piece, and then you get the inner heart as well. And then this piece, it cuts a bunch of dot details, okay? And I think I have an example of that. Yes, this. So you see it cuts out all the little circles, and everything layers really nicely within each other. And then the last one is like this wonky looking heart. It's so cute, you guys. So I got that from the Heidi Swap Shop. Now this came in a bundle. It came with this. It came with this die set here. Oh my god, this is a must-have, you guys. Hello, everyone. Thank you guys for joining me. Please share this video if you can. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. So it was a bundle for $19.99. You get this die set. You get this die set. Let me get it back in here, because if I don't, guys, I'll lose it. And then I'll be mad at myself. So you get these two die sets and this one. I can't pause it. I'm on Instagram Live. And so it comes with this sentiment that says, be mine. Window 1. Love you. And I love her fonts. I always have love her fonts. And then you get this little like borderline. Don't listen to that. My batteries are always down in my damn house. Okay, so you get those. This was all $20, guys, and the for the bundle was $19.99, which you really want to get, because with that, it's like you essentially get one of these for free. I was already gonna get these two, so this was just like an extra. So I ended up getting the bundle. So get the bundle for $19.99, and then let me share with you guys. Also, I picked up the stamp that coordinates with that exclusive die that comes with the memory planning kit, and then I got the stamp set. So I'm just doing, yes, it was such a good price for the bundle, girl. You got to grab the bundle. Oh my goodness, my husband's going to drive me crazy. So this comes with all these different stamps, you guys. You can look on my YouTube channel for more in detail of everything, but I had to have this because of this kissy lip. Oh my god, like it's like biting its lip. So cute, guys. So let me show with you, hey girl. So let me share with you guys what I created. So here goes the Be Mine. Look at that lettering. It's so pretty, guys. I forgot to put the little heart. There's a little heart that goes on top of the eye. Yes, Ava. Ava loves to repeat me, guys. Okay, and then here goes the hearts. Look at how beautiful. And then I used my my Valentine digital. If you guys don't know, I'm selling a digital collection. It's my first Valentine, my first time creating some papers, and you get 10 papers. They're all, it's a Valentine collection, guys. I can't speak right now. I'm getting so distracted. You get 10 papers that I designed, and they're all beautiful pastel colors. You guys can check out anything on my channel. You'll see it all over, and on YouTube as well. And then you get 20 ephemera pieces. So I've been having a lot of fun playing with my digital collection. It's been making me so happy, you guys. And so here goes another heart. I didn't put the middle one on there, but you can see that paper. It's one of my favorite prints from my collection. So if you guys are interested in snatching that from me, just send me a DM, and it's $20 PayPal or Cash App you can pay. And guys, it is so pretty. You guys, if you purchase it, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So far, everyone who's purchased it has told me that they loved it. Okay, and then here goes that other die set. So I use my paper. I love this sheet too. This is another one of my favorite papers from the collection. And there goes that stamp. Do more of what you love. I didn't decorate the inside, but I think that this will be cute with a little picture right here. So I don't know what's going on with my phone. Instagram is weird. Thank you so much. So I want to put a little picture here, you know, of, I don't know, me and my kids or something, me and my daughter, one of my daughters, make one for each of them. But how cute is that? And you can do a bunch of stamping. So I've been really hooked on Heidi Swap's stuff, guys. And then this is what I made on that live. Look at that. Look at the lips. Oh, so pretty, you guys. Look. And I actually used some of the Stamp Market's little inks. And just in case you're curious, I use Soft Berry in case you guys have these colors. Fresh Pink and Rosy. You guys know I'm always using my oxides. But I busted out those inks and I just did a bunch of stamping. These are all the stamps from that stamp set. And look at this one, says more amor por favor. So cute. So it says more love please in Spanish. And then I did a little splatters. My splatters got a little crazy. And then when you open it up, there goes the love you. It has a little tiny heart stamp on one of the other ones. And look at how cute. It has the perfect match. Amor. Sparks are flying. Just so adorable, you guys. So I had so much fun creating this on the live with you guys. Make sure you guys check out my YouTube channel so you can see, you know, how this came about. And then last but definitely not least, so these are the projects that I made so far. I just opened this today. And I was like, let me go ahead and play with it off camera as well. So I created this cute little card. So I used my digitals, these little heart banners. That's the little strip. I just cut it. I just glued it and then cut around it. But really, I should have glued it and then die cut the heart shape. I'm going to DM you to let you know who I am. I'm actually an old friend. Okay, girl, make sure you message me. And then in the inside, I just did some stamping. It says, match made in heaven, perfect match, I love you. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to jump on here and share some of the products that I created with the Heidi Swap shop stuff that I got. I am trying my best to buy less. And when I buy things, I want to use it, guys, because I just got too much. And I don't have much time to craft the things that so I just try my best to use the stuff that I buy right away, before I put it away and then it doesn't get used for a year or so or whenever. So check out the Heidi Swap shop and grab these die sets, guys. They're cute. And the stamp sets, oh my God, so adorable. I love the way this came out. Look at how pretty those. I had to have this stamp set just for this stamp right here. And I love the XOXOs. I did some like sweets. And then again, the little tiny hearts all over. So pretty, you guys. And then again, this is the die set. So some of these came on the memory planner kit, and I was so happy that she had the die set for you to buy separately as well. All right. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me live. I've been trying to go live on Instagram a little bit more. I can't promise that I'll do it all the time, but whenever I get a chance to, I will jump on here and share with you all. So thank you guys for joining me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.